Thumbnail, name is equal to nail, but it has the power to make any video from zero to hero. So this video is going to be important for manly tech categories, YouTube channels. In this video, I'm going to tell you two main points which are very important for any thumbnail. Most of the new YouTubers make mistakes in these 2 points only, due to which the CTR means click-through rate on their videos is very low. So now coming to the main issue. Now, as you are seeing two different types of thumbnails, now tell me which thumbnail you find more attractive and appealing. The one which is filled with a lot of text or the one which has only 2 words in count? Most of you must have selected this one, right? You too must have seen similar thumbnails of many YouTubers like TubeBuddy and many other channels whose thumbnails you will find simple and similar to watch, and their videos also get a good amount of views. But have you ever thought that, why do thumbnails look so attractive even after being so simple? The answer is, because they are so simple, that is why they look so attractive. Like before, the times of putting 10 kilos of text on thumbnails are gone. Now it's best to keep thumbnails as simple as possible.
What you mean is that we should keep our thumbnail simple?
Yes, you can do it.
You mean keep it simple?
Yes, bro, keep it simple.
See the thumbnail, as simple as this.
Now coming to our first point, which is color combination. This is the thing that can make your thumbnails most attractive as well as unattractive. Like if I use green and red color with yellow background, then it will look something like this. And if I use green and yellow with dark gray background, the difference is very clear. This must have given you a sense as to what kind of color combination should be kept. Now coming to our second point, which is text fonts. See, even if you have done the color combination well, and you are not able to use the right font, then still your thumbnails will not look attractive because every font has a meaning hidden inside it. For example, like you put funky fonts in the thumbnails of the video. So after seeing this thumbnail, one doesn't even feel genuineness and seriousness, bro, which has a direct effect on CTR. And let me tell you that only maximum simple and bold fonts are used in the tech category, like this. Even those who have started a channel will take some time to understand all this properly, which is common. So guys, that's it for this video. Do subscribe to get the notification of my new interesting video, and also hit the like button. See you in next video. Thanks for watching.